Your next car could be the 2022 Toyota 4Runner. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. This rugged 4Runner delivers serious off-road capability, a comfortable interior, and family-friendly practicality. Enjoy the great outdoors like never before in this astonishingly versatile vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, alarm. Celebrate your outdoor lifestyle in this remarkably capable 4Runner. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.